Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a yarn unboxing. Okay, let me just show you the label. Okay, this yarn is I bought it from the BELANGOR Yarns in New York. Okay, and I've been buying Angora rabbit yarn from Star. Her name is Star Galler for years, but you need to buy so much so you can get a good discount, or else it's not. So I asked her to ship it with regular post because I'm really tired of paying custom fees. She usually ships it with UPS, and I know the fee because she gets a discount. And then what happens is you receive it in a short period of time. But no, last week was Labor Day on Monday. Today is Wednesday. I received it today. So it arrived in how many business days? So 4, 5, 6, 7. Today it was 6 days, I would say. I'm not going to count today because it was at my mailbox. So I'm kind of... I don't have any colored Angora rabbit yarn 100%. So I asked her, and she said she had a couple of cones. Okay. And I wanted to buy 100% Angora rabbit pure white. She said she didn't. I go for the cones because okay. Oh, look at this perfect packaging. I love the way she packages. Okay, she even put a card. Okay, this is, I will give her information. Okay, so you can go and grab it if you want because she sells them in small balls. Okay, this is her. They're famous. She's not new, so I've been buying from her for so many years. Okay. Okay, so this is what I bought. I bought 1, 2, 3 in cones, 3 different colors. The green apple is mine. That's going to be for me. I hope I have enough yarn. Okay, look at the fees. If you can, these are all in American. So the postage fee, U.S. postal fee, I paid $58.35. So it's about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 6 pounds, and I paid this amount US. It's a big amount. So it's a big amount, believe it or not. It's a big amount. I spent so much money this month, but this I had to buy because I didn't have any Angora rabbit. These are all 100% Angora rabbit yarn, and I have knit with them for so many years. I didn't check how much. Oh, it says 8 pounds with the box, so 8 pounds of yarn. And my I don't know who's delivering my packages. It used to be a lady. Oh, this is perfect. So I have knit for a customer, 2 actually, same color, and I used the last bit of yarn. Okay, so this is what was this? This is powder, number 808. These are all BELANGOR brand, 100% French Angora rabbit. This is the best quality. I tried every kind of Angora rabbit yarn. Excuse me. It's worsted yarn. See, it's pretty thick, so I don't need to double strand this. It's the best quality, but of course the price is not cheap. So it's about 450 gram, 1 cone. It has the brand name here, made in France. Everything, nothing hidden. I still have a couple of cones from her that I purchased before. I'm hoarding them, but I need to use them up. So this is powder, because I have lots of customers who likes to knit, ask me to knit different colors other than white or pure white. Okay, there was a little bit left over. This is perfect. So for these 2 cones, I paid powder. I paid $516.04 Canadian, American, US dollars. Okay, and this one is oatmeal. So this is like dark. But when you knit it up, it turns out fantastic. Yeah. This is a little bit, can you see the halo? Look how fantastic it is. This is pure Angora rabbit yarn. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's just lovely. See, made in France. Imported by BELANGOR Yarns. She's in New York, America. I tried every place around the world. Russian, Ukraine. This is the best yarn. But again, the price isn't that cheap. But when you compare it to others, it's not bad at all. You can see how she packs them individually. This is professional. And there's a little bit left over. Nice, eh? I still have the cold, I'm sorry. So, so I paid 2.54 pound, 675. She charged me for the 3 cones, even for the tiny one. Well, it's her business, she has to, right? Okay. And the green cones are for me. I want to make something for myself. So there's 2 cones. And there's a total of almost 2 pounds. I love this lime green color, apple green. Just fantastic. Look at the halo. Isn't this lovely? Yeah, it's so soft. Just lovely. Yeah, so I wanted to share. Again, if you want to screenshot it. Okay, this is the name. This is the name, and she ordered some pure white and off-white for me. In cones again. She doesn't sell them. She only sells these in small balls. And then you need to spend, I think, $500 for that. Or you can go to Etsy and pay twice as much as she's charging. Unfortunately, yeah. I think they're sold for 11 US dollars for a 10 gram of ball. Again, BELANGOR, and this is her email. Her website, you can go and message her. Star, her name is Star, and she's the best. Just super, super. And they don't break like the other places you buy those yarn. It's strong. It is strong. It's 100% again. I would highly recommend you to add another strand just to, you know, make it stronger. Because, you know, this is 100%. I'm sorry. 100% Angora rabbit. Just to, you know, the shape won't be lost. I will add another strand. Because it needs to be secured. So, see how she packed it nicely? Lovely, lovely. So I'm going to put these back in here. But as soon as I finish my custom orders, I will be making shrugs out of these this powder. And I will add them to my Etsy shop, ready to be shipped. So I had a customer. She needed urgent, and it was ready to be shipped. It was a little bit lighter than this color. So, powder. Yeah, I might need to order a different color from her, because this is a little bit dark. This is like champagne powder, yeah. So it was about this color, a little bit darker than this. And she bought it, and well, even this would have been nice on her dress. She sent me a picture of her dress. Yeah. So when I have yarns like this, when I have the time, I knit it and I add them on my Etsy shop. But I would, if you buy this yarn, I would add a different, same color strand of yarn, just to to give a little bit of strength to the yarn, because like I said, they are strong, they won't break. But just to be on the safe side, they're 100% Angora rabbit yarn, so they are very delicate. I'm sorry, I need to end this video because my throat is just itchy. Need to take some medicine, which I bought today. I had this cold for over 10 days now. It's very, gives my, oh, terrible, terrible throat. Yeah, and I think the Angora kind of made it itchier. So I hope you like this unboxing. I just wanted to show you what I bought. Don't these colors look fantastic? If you need some yarn, just message me. I have all the yarn that you need. I'm sure I can spare you 200 grams of yarn. That would be no problem. But if you need to buy a lot of yarn from her, go into her link. This is her email address, and her name is Star. And here is her logo. Her father I used to deal with her father. Now her daughter took over almost 10 years ago, I believe. Yeah, well, you guys take care. And I haven't paid custom fee. Yahoo! For Canadians, just to let you know. Okay, when you use the Canada Post, the regular post service, sometimes we don't pay. But with other companies, Express, such as FedEx or DHL, we end up paying. Take care, everybody. Happy knitting, happy crocheting.